Hello everybody, and today we are taking a look at my beautiful babies. Just joking, we're just gonna clean them. See how dirty this one looks? Very dirty indeed. Nice. This one's sexy. The keyboard is very nice too. So yes, I'm going to do a tutorial of how to clean a keyboard and mouse. First, get any Monster Energy you have and throw it at it. Remember, you need your feet. Second, get a popcorn bag. Make sure it's empty. There we go. Make sure there's a lot of butter outside of the bag and ball sacks. Don't know why I said that, but let's clean it. Okay, now rub on it like you rubbed your fucking wife's pussy last night with your mouth. Now take some cheddar fries. Ouch! Now get a log. And place it right in front of your mom's PC. Now place your hand out like so. God! God damn it! Wow, that hurt. Not enough water. Yeah! And there you have it. A very clean keyboard and mouse. It looks the same. God! No!